Mark Golding, leadership in action. Working with limited funds. While some leaders talk, Mark Golding acts. As Hurricane Melissa threatened Jamaica, he wasn't waiting for a photo op. He was out there in the trenches with his people. Mark Golding has shown again that true leadership means service. Despite limited funds from local government, he took action, cleaning gullies, clearing drains that have not maintained for years under the Andrew Holness administration, and also checking vulnerable areas like Shoemaker Gully. He personally thanked the workers who've been out there, working day and night to protect homes before the rains hit. He didn't just talk preparedness, he provided it, posting emergency contacts for parish disaster coordinators, police, ODPEM, and even the earthquake unit, encouraging citizens to save those numbers and check on their elderly and sick neighbors. That's what real leadership looks like, not waiting for the storm to pass, but preparing the people to weather it together. He reminded us all, Jamaica needs a proactive, not reactive strategy for cleaning and maintaining our drains and waterways. Even on limited government resources, Mark Golding is proving that compassion, planning, and action go a far way. So big up Mark Golding, a man of the people, for the people. When duty calls, he answers. When the storm comes, he shows up. That's the kind of leadership Jamaica needs. This is Michy Dex Commentary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories highlighting true leadership across Jamaica. Stay safe, stay smart, and stay strong, Jamaica.